Hello there, once more. We are in the Hoyt Clegg Research and Development Laboratories, and this engine here is what I call the compressor engine. It's a two-cylinder Dayton brand, I guess, air compressor that I've converted to an engine, changed over the head, made a new head for it. It's unusual in the fact that it's one cylinder of engine. The second cylinder is an expansion cylinder. The exhaust from the first cylinder goes into the second cylinder to continue expanding. I don't really think it's going to work very well because the whole theory of the thing is wrong. I think it'll run, but I don't think it'll do much. But anyway, it's all done. The governor's pretty much finished except for the springs, so it'll fly all the way out as soon as the engine starts to turn. So anyhow, I'll release the compression and crank it up and you'll see. Ain't that interesting?